Hi, I'm Jillian Moore, and this is a tour of my newest listing at 816 Avenue F North in Saskatoon's Caswell Hill neighborhood. This house is located on a beautiful street just down the street from Ashworth Homes Park. The main floor flows beautifully from living room to dining room and kitchen. With hand-picked light fixtures and beautiful hardwood floors, this home is stunning. There's an area off the kitchen that is currently being used as a one-bedroom short-term rental. So here's your mortgage helper, or it can easily be converted to be part of the home. Heading up to the second floor, the staircase splits at the top with bedrooms on either side. On one side, you'll find the primary suite, a renovated bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. On the other side, there are 2 more bedrooms, a 3-piece bathroom, and a spot at the back that would be great for your Peloton or yoga practice. Out in the backyard is a really beautiful oasis with amazing perennials and a double detached garage. So if you think this house could be your next home, give me or your realtor a call for a private showing today.